It can be quite difficult to order decimals in terms of their size, especially when we have lots of digits after the decimal point. For example, if we are asked to order the following numbers from smallest to largest: 0.3, 0.303, 0.3014, 0.31 and 0.316. It can be tricky as they do look similar to one another. A technique that we can use is to list the numbers. We can then make all of the numbers have the same amount of digits by filling in the gaps with zeros. Now that all of the numbers have the same amount of digits, we can take away the first part of the numbers, in this case the 0, and the decimal point. Now we have a list of numbers that are whole numbers, which we have encountered more frequently. They are 3000, 3030, 3014, 3100 and 3160. We can much more easily arrange these numbers from smallest to largest. We have 3000, 3014, 3030, 3100 and 3160 as the largest. If we then add the zeros and decimal points back to the numbers, we've ordered the numbers from smallest to largest. Of course, in this instance, removing the leading zeros and decimals works, as they are all numbers less than 1. If we had some bigger decimal numbers such as 3.12, 3.102, 3.210, 3.012, we can use the same technique of listing the numbers and adding zeros to any that need them in order to give all the numbers the same amount of digits. If we list them, we have 3.120, 3.102, 3.210 and 3.012. Here we can look to remove the decimal point to make these numbers appear as whole numbers, what we are more used to. In doing so, we have made it easier to order them. We have 3012, 3102, 3120 and 3210. Now all we have to do is put the decimal points back into the numbers and we have correctly ordered them from smallest to largest. I hope this has helped and you are able to order decimals in terms of their size using this technique. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.